Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu different flavors using an easy method. First, begin with a solid foundation. A classic tiramisu base, featuring rich mascarpone cream and delicate ladyfingers, is essential for any variation. Ensure your ingredients are fresh and high quality for the best taste and texture. Also, prepare a strong brew of coffee or espresso. This is crucial for dipping the ladyfingers and building that signature flavor. For a bright and refreshing twist, consider citrus and berry flavors. You can infuse your coffee with orange zest or a splash of fresh lemon juice before dipping the ladyfingers. Then, layer your tiramisu with vibrant fresh berries like raspberries or thinly sliced strawberries. A small amount of orange liqueur can also be added to the coffee mixture or mascarpone cream to enhance the citrus notes and provide a delightful aroma. If you prefer richer, more indulgent flavors, chocolate and nutty variations are fantastic. Instead of plain coffee, dip your ladyfingers in chocolate milk or a mixture of coffee and cocoa powder. Between the layers of mascarpone, sprinkle generous amounts of cocoa powder and finely chopped nuts like hazelnuts or almonds. For an extra layer of flavor, a dash of hazelnut or almond extract can be incorporated into the mascarpone cream. For an exotic, tropical tiramisu, try soaking your ladyfingers in pineapple juice or creamy coconut milk. Layer the dessert with fresh, diced mango or tangy passion fruit pulp to create a truly unique and refreshing treat. Remember, the key is to balance the sweetness with the fruit's natural tartness. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.